The year 2015 is a critical year for Nigeria's political economy, considering the fact that the falling crude oil price, the political risk of an election year, and also the issues of the devaluation of the naira comes to the fore. But also, one of the key platforms for fundraising and financing in the country, the Nigeria Stock Exchange, has been impacted by all these developments. And so the management of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, led by the CEO Mr Oscar Onyema, had an interaction with the Nigerian press to speak on the issues affecting the Nigerian Stock Exchange, reviewing the year 2014 and also giving an outlook into 2015. It was a opportunity for me to also share the strategy for 2015 and also the expectations of the market considering the various challenges of the Nigerian market.
Again, in the presentation, we did talk about the various forces that are interplaying to determine what we saw last year. And we pointed out to certain areas where we think there are opportunities. As we get closer to the elections and as we get past the elections, you will see a number of uncertainties go down as well. And so the very first people that ought to be taking positions in the market, given how low the market has come, are the domestic people. Now, you have a country of 170 million people. Let's say, let's make an assumption that 40 million of them can invest. You're not going to be able to talk to all 40 million of them to come and invest. And not all of them, by nature, even would believe in the stock market as a place to be. They may want to just put their money under their pillow or whatever. So we have to target who we go to talk to. And then you have to look at pools of liquidity.
It was also an opportunity for Mr. Oscar Onyema to clarify issues concerning various policies and interactive relationship between the Nigerian Stock Exchange and our regulatory organizations.
The CBN has key objectives different from the stock exchange, different from SEC and NIACOM and NDIC. That's why we're all different. And so they must focus on their primary objectives, first of all, monetary stability for the CBN, addressing inflation and things like that, and protecting, also regulating the deposit monetary bank, money banks and things like that. So I believe that, quite frankly, the relationship is strong.
With this interactive session with the press, it's expected the Nigerian Stock Exchange will regain activity, considering the fact that it ended negatively at minus 16 points. Also, with the stabilizing of the oil prices, say in the second quarter, we should expect more activity in the Nigerian market and also gaining traction for the overall economy.